There's so much information out there that sometimes it's hard to navigate and figure out what information you should consume. So today, I'm going to talk about the 3 best personal finance books that every beginner should read. The first one is The Simple Path to Wealth. And The Simple Path to Wealth is one of my favorite books for beginners. Why? Because the author, J.L. Collins, wrote this for his daughter. So J.L. Collins retired at a very early age, and he wrote all the personal finance lessons that he learned along the way to be able to retire in his early 30s, and wrote them and put them all in a book. So this book will literally teach you step by step what to do with your money and how to manage your money so that you can build a big nest egg and retire when you want to. And if you're really interested in the FIRE movement or financial independence, he is one of the major proponents of this, and he did this before it was popular. So this is definitely a great book to pick up, specifically if you're interested in investing and how to be a lazy investor, in addition on how to retire as fast as humanly possible. The second one is one of my favorites, and it's I Will Teach You to Be Rich. So I read this book very early on when I was in college, and this book blew me away. One of my favorite things about I Will Teach You to Be Rich is it actually talks about how to consciously spend your money. It's about putting systems together so that you can allocate your dollars towards what brings you value, what actually brings you joy and happiness. It's not about cutting back on lattes. It's not about deprivation, but figuring out exactly how to do this. So that is one of the coolest things about I Will Teach You to Be Rich, and one of the things that blew my mind the first time I read it. The third book is one of my absolute favorites, and it is The Millionaire Next Door. And The Millionaire Next Door absolutely changed my life because what it showed was what a true millionaire is. When I was in high school and I was in college, I thought all millionaires just drove Lamborghinis and balled out and made it rain in the club and did all these different things. But The Millionaire Next Door actually showed that the majority of millionaires started to build wealth gradually over time. And they weren't frivolous with their money. They didn't spend their money all over their place until they had it. They built up their wealth, built up their business by investing small amounts of money over time and allowing that money to grow. Just a couple of cool stats from this book alone: 79% of millionaires are first generation millionaires. Why is that cool? Because that means anybody can become a millionaire. Because 79% of millionaires are first generation millionaires. They weren't handed an inheritance. They weren't given money. Instead, they built up their portfolio, invested their dollars, worked hard in their business to become millionaires themselves. And another amazing stat in this book is that the average age of someone who becomes a millionaire is actually the age of 55, showing that over time, people have built up small amounts of money and started to save it up and invest those dollars so that they could become millionaires. It doesn't happen overnight. It's not people who get rich quick. Instead, it's something that you have to work towards and build up over time. Listen, I hope you guys enjoyed this video on some of the best books to pick up if you're new to personal finance. There's a bunch of other great personal finance books. If there's other ones that you love, leave them in the comments below, and we'll do another video talking about all the personal finance books we love as well. But these are great ones to start off with, great ones for beginners. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell as well. And if you like this video, here are a couple more videos that I know you're going to love. Thank you again so much, and we'll see you on the next video.